My intuition.
What's up, Glamazons? Welcome back to my channel. So today's video, I'm going to be unboxing my Ipsy Plus for June. So Ipsy Plus is $25. I'm super tired. I just worked 13 hours, so we're gonna go this pretty quickly. If you like this video, please let me know by giving it a thumbs up and subscribe if you feel like it. Alright, so the bag is super cute. It definitely matches the Ipsy Glam bag I just got. So I'm really excited to see what's in here. I always miss my Ipsy Choice days. Oh, I think what's choice for BoxyCharm? Alright, so the theme this month is Do You. Oh, they don't give me information on the products for the Plus. It doesn't make sense. Alright, the first product, oh wow, is this Murad Skin Smoothing Polish Exfoliant. This is 3.5 ounces. Gentle exfoliating scrub helps clear away pore clogging debris and excess oils for smoother, healthier looking skin. So I know Murad products are not cheap. Yeah. Alright. Alright, next we have this Ofra Cool as a Cucumber Primer. Smoothing and Mattifying Moisturizing Primer. This moisturizer and mattifying duo works double duty with workhouse ingredient cucumber, which helps to lock in the moisturizing benefits of coconut oil, cuckoo nut oil, and macadamia nut oil while still soothing the skin. The velvety texture of this unique primer allows the skin to feel quenched but also smooths over pores for a perfect base for makeup application. Now that's honestly what I ask for in every primer. Something that smooths pores but is still hydrating. So, oh my gosh, I love this packaging. How cool is that? Oh, I was gonna keep this for a giveaway, but I don't know. I'm like really intrigued by it. I might just try it. There's so many primers though. Definitely very hydrating. It kind of smells like cucumber, which I don't love, but smells don't really bother me. Okay, so I can definitely tell that it's hydrating, but if it smooths pores, that's the question. We have this, oh wow, okay, Tarte C Hydro Sealer Concealer. And this is in Fair Neutral. Okay, that's my color. Wow. I haven't even seen this. Oh, it looks dark though. This concealer. Huh. Let me see here. So it's a doe foot. I don't know. It doesn't seem like it's the fullest coverage. Like, you can tell compared to that. Oh no, that's in a different video. Just kidding, Natalie. Yeah, I don't think this is the fullest coverage concealer. Oh shoot, I don't have my phone. I'm gonna look it up. Okay, medium coverage, it says natural finish, hydrating. Okay, I guess if I built it up, that's really cool. Next, we have this Maybelline. I've never heard of that brand before. Eye cream. Okay, just says apply a small amount around the eyes day and night. That'll be probably going in a giveaway. And this is the Ahava Time to Hydrate Active Moisture Gel Cream Advanced Skin Conditioner. Okay. So this is a face moisturizer. That's what I was trying to figure out. Refreshing gel cream texture for cushiony, soft, vital looking skin. Okay. I don't know. I have so many gel moisturizers, and gel moisturizers are really more geared towards people with oily skin. So I'll probably put this in a giveaway as well. Oh my gosh, I'm going to be putting so much of this stuff in the giveaway. Maybe I'll try it. But I'm really excited to try this concealer and this primer. This, I don't feel like, isn't it supposed to be all full-size products? I mean, I guess it is an eye cream, but It's from a brand I've never heard of. And what else did I get? This, yeah, everything else is full size. But yeah, I think this is a pretty bomb Ipsy Plus. I don't know. What do you guys think? Let me know in the comments. Alright, I hope you enjoyed this video, and I will see you guys next time.